implications?
I think this is potentially much broader and bigger for the global world. Since 1990, with the dismemberment of the Soviet Union, the world benefited from this incredible peace dividend.
Absolutely.
And this peace dividend created opportunities for American firms worldwide. We expanded globally. Right. We were able to expand and build and do amazing things, and as did other countries were able to do that. But also importantly, we raised the standard of living for the entire world. That peace dividend is now over. And this is a big seismic change. We now have to be much more thoughtful about geopolitical issues. I think the biggest implication for the Russian invasion to Ukraine and the right. response is we're all waking up to all these dependencies. Right. Europe was too dependent on Russia, oil, and gas. And every company I'm talking to right now are asking themselves, where are our other dependencies? Right. The implications of this is going to mean that every company is going to reevaluate where they're building things, where they're manufacturing right. things. It really means it's going to be, and we witnessed even before the war, we witnessed supply chain problems worldwide. Right. And I actually believe it's going to change how we think about supply chains, and it's going to be highly inflationary. Yeah. And it's going to it really can lead to ultimately great outcomes in the next 3 to 4 year period of time. It's going to lead to big issues. I think because the financial crisis obviously destroyed banks and right. a lot of people's livelihood who had leverage. Right. But keep in mind, when you see the increase of wheat to the extent it is, and what it's going to mean to food prices for everybody, right. when you see the increases of gasoline and what it means for everybody in heating, this is not just a segment of the right. economy or a segment of the world. This is the entire world. This is going to be impacting everybody. This is so regressive for so many people who are in need, who can't afford the rise of gas or rise of food. This is much more impactful than somebody who was leveraged in mortgages. Right. And so that was a segment of society that were destroyed. This is more pernicious and troublesome that it affects everybody in the world.
And how long does it last? Let me just ask this: how long does it last?
Well, let's see what the ultimate outcome in Ukraine is. We are going to find new supplies of oil elsewhere. Maybe OPEC will begin to raise right. their production. The U.S. will begin to invest again back into our energy fields. Right. High energy prices is going to accelerate decarbonization. More and more people say, I can't afford gas, I'm going to buy an EV. So we're going to see behavior changes. And over the next 3 or 4 years, we are going to see less dependencies, which is really good for the world. We're going to have a better mix of energy between hydrocarbons and renewables. And so it's about a 2 to 3 year possible uncertainty, but I actually love where we're going. Yeah. But it's going to be treacherous in between.